came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
हेलो मोटो।
तिवारी जी, ये बात बहुत अच्छी है आपकी कि आप सच बोलते हैं। आप सच बोलते हैं। कांग्रेस ने आपके साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया, आपने कांग्रेस के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया। वहां दोनों भूल गए कि हिंदुत्व का सही डेफिनेशन क्या है, दोनों भूल गए कि अरे सनातन धर्म के बारे में लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपकी मजबूरी थी या पॉलिटिकल कन्वीनियंस था। आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग इन डॉक्टर रंगनाथन। सो डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, व्हेन यू सी सच अलायंसेस हैपनिंग or when you hear the chief minister of Telangana, Mr. Revant Reddy, say that Congress is equal to Muslims and Muslims is equal to Congress, what is that tattva? वो किस तत्व की बात कर रहे हैं?
Good evening, Swati, and good evening to my fellow panelists. You know, it used to amuse me, but now it amazes me how much venom and how much disdain can people have in this country against Hindus and Hinduism and Hindutva and get away with it. Here is an open challenge for all those who hate Hindutva. List just 5 principles, diktats, commandments that you hate in Hindutva that are not already there in Islam. Just 5. And if you can't, then will you declare that you will henceforth hate Islam as much as you hate Hindutva? Hai dam? 5 छोड़ो 3 ही बता दो. Look, quote, Hindutva means the Indian culture and not merely the Hindu religion, unquote. Some may not know on this panel because they're ignorant. This was the famous conclusion of the Supreme Court back in 1995, packed with judges with left, liberal and centralist predilection, with the judgment written by none other than the liberal hero Justice J.S. Verma. But here is the thing, even if you do not believe in the Supreme Court that Hindutva is the twa or essence of Hinduism and means the Indian culture and prescribe to it a political or social motive, even then, Swati, Hindutva is not supremacist, but rather a defensive force to counter an attack on Hinduism. Islamists, Darbaris, as well as Chauthi-failed leftist ignoramuses never tire of drawing a false equivalence of Hindutva with Taliban, claiming there's nothing wrong with Islam or Hinduism, but everything wrong with Taliban and Hindutva. This is merely to cushion Islamic fundamentalism, because they know very well that the Taliban are only following Islamic fundamentals. Stopping the Taliban from following what is written in their holy book is like preventing me from following what is written in Darwin's Origin of Species. We are just the medium. How are we guilty or radical or extremist? The Taliban are only following the Sharia and the word of Allah on how a woman should dress, 24, 31, 33, 59, 726, on how a wife should behave, 434, on when a woman can be flogged, 24, 212, on what should be done with non-believers, 456. Tell me, is it Hindutva that calls non-believers the worst of creatures? Is it Hindutva that forbids marrying them? Is it Hindutva that recommends conditional wife beating? Were they believers of Hindutva who blew up the Bamiyan Buddhas? Is Hindutva responsible for 31,221 major terror attacks since 2001? Just because you are embarrassed by the violence, misogyny and bigotry commanded by your holy book, you bring in a false equivalence to deride Hindutva. And as for Mani Shankar Iyer, just 10 seconds.
Okay.
I'm afraid there is as much intellect in that guy as there is MDH garam masala in authentic sambar.